This is the video about the variation of acceleration due to gravity with altitude. In my previous videos, we have seen that the acceleration due to gravity is given by capital G, capital M by R square, where capital G is the universal gravitational constant and M is mass of the earth and R is radius of the earth. By this we found the value of G as 9.8 meters per second square. Consider a body is at a height h from the surface of the earth, and let us consider the radius of earth is r. Here in this case, let the acceleration due to gravity is gh. Gh can be given by again capital G, capital M, and this gh also not depend on the mass of the object, so it is gm by r plus h whole square, because here the h is considerable. From this we can write gh is equals to capital G, capital M by r. I am making r outside, into 1 plus h by r. Okay, here is square. From this, gh can be written as capital G, capital M by r square into 1 plus h by r whole square, implies gh is equals to, what is capital Gm by r square? Capital Gm by r square is the acceleration due to gravity g into 1 plus h by r whole power minus 2, because it is in the denominator. If it moves up, this plus 2 becomes minus 2. So this can be solved with binomial theorem, according to which you know well that 1 plus x power n is equals to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 into x power 3, and so on. If you apply this theorem to 1 plus h by r power minus 2, we can write it as 1 plus nx. So here plus n is there, but you have minus 2 here, minus 2 in the place of x you have h by r, so 2 into h by r plus minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1 by 1 into 2 into h by r square, and so on. 1 plus h by r power minus 2 can be taken as 1 minus 2h by r, because the higher terms may be neglected, because as compared to the radius of earth, h will be very small. H is very small to r. So as h is small, very small to r, this h by r can be neglected, because it is having point not some value. So the other terms from here can be neglected, and finally we can take 1 plus h by r power 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 h by r, and that gh, we have g into 1 plus h by r power minus 2. By from these we can write gh is equals to 1 minus g into 1 minus 2h by r. This is the expression for acceleration due to gravity when the body is certain height h.